I ditched those useless smiley face sponges that never clean anything. Maybe on the first try, and then after that, they're useless. This is the Amazer dish brush with handle. This is a 2-pack actually. This is the blue one. The green one is in my sink currently working, but these are sturdy right out of the box, solid handle, tight bristles, and the built-in scraper. This thing means business. And then you can hang it to dry between cleans. The bristles have stiff power, and they can really scrub that dried food off of pans. No bending or flattening after a few washes, which I really like. I don't have to play with the water, hot, cold, to get the thing to work. I like the scraper edge, perfect for sticky baked on gunk that normally needs soaking, and this is dishwasher safe. So I just pop this on the top and run the cycle and it gets clean. Final verdict, these Amazer brushes, because there are 2, get the job done, fast, tough, and no nonsense. I am so tired of those gimmicky sponges that I can finally say my dishes, my pans, and my sink, because I clean my sink with this thing, it actually looks clean. Highly recommend.